Hi everybody, coming to you with a voiceover. Thought I'd try something different this time. So this is a typical day in my life. As you can see, I'm cutting up the vegetables to make breakfast for Gerald and me. He's working from home on this particular day. So I love to make eggs with spinach, potato, and green onion. For mine, I separate the yolk and I do one egg yolk. But Gerald likes 2 full eggs. So there I'm whisking it up and putting some oil in the pans. And I just love the sound it makes when you pour it into the pan and it sizzles like that. I like to listen to 1950s music every morning. It really just helps me get in a good mood for the day. Mornings when I cook and I make my tea and I make my breakfast are really just the ritual times of my day. Normally I would do a journal page before this too. I'll write out a full journal where I just dump my thoughts, but today I'm in a bit of a hurry because I do have therapy a little later. But I take my matcha shot each and every day, can't miss that. So let's go ahead and meet Gerald at the table and have some breakfast together. What do you think? You like my cooking? I make this every day, huh? Are you sick of it yet, or you still like it?
Still like it's healthy.
So I'm in my office getting ready for my therapy session. It's my first one of the year and my first one since before Christmas, so I'm really eager for it. I haven't shown on camera yet that I got all these new shelves. It was my Christmas present from Gerald. I really love them. I have a cup of tea. I try not to drink too much tea before therapy because one time I had to pee really bad the whole time and it really wasn't an enjoyable session. I like to kind of sip as I talk. I like to write out a couple things beforehand just so I have my mind in the right place and I know kind of what I want to talk about. Gerald's working out there for now. We'll probably switch back after therapy for me. And we'll see what I get up to the rest of the day. Look at these earrings Gerald got me. They are gold safety pins. He got silver ones too, but they remind me of what we used to wear when we were young and cool. He was hoping to wear them too. He has one of his ears pierced, but it didn't feel right. So all for me. But I put on some accessories with my sweatshirt just to look a little bit presentable for therapy. So see you afterwards. When I finished off therapy, Gerald was a little hungry and I made tacos for dinner the night before. I didn't have all the components last night. I put corn and I chopped onions and I made a sauce. But we did have some leftover of the, it's actually Gardein ground beef. We don't eat meat in our house. We're both vegetarian. So all I have is the fake meat, that cheese, and the shredded lettuce, but I'm gonna bring it over to him where he's working on the couch for the rest of the day. Here you go, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
All right, I'm about to do my workout, and this is my workout outfit. I feel like a ballerina because I have a pink bow in my hair. I work out in the garage. This is my little gym. I have this weight bench, I have my weights and things. I have an elliptical, so everything I need, but also a bunch of other stuff. So always slowly but surely cleaning out the garage. This is a Keep Heat shirt from Costco, and they've been perfect for when it's cooler out. But today it's actually not so cold. Usually I have the space heater going. I'll probably turn it on, but just gonna get started without it. And I start off with ab stuff, so I'm gonna do some weighted crunches on here, and then some weighted crunches and bridges on here, and some arm stuff. And then I will run in place with weights like this till I get to 5,000 steps. And since Gerald and I already went for a walk, I'm already at 4,000, but I did definitely want to put on my gym clothes and get out here for at least the ab stuff and those couple of weighted steps because it has been really cold lately and it's finally like a little warmer today. So hopefully I can get a really nice workout in, but then after that I'll get some lunch for myself ready and take a little shower and see what else we get up to. I'm all showered, I had lunch, and I made some iced espressos for me and Gerald. Mine has some vanilla syrup in it, but he likes his just plain. We got these Kit Kats from Costco. It was like this huge bag, and there's strawberry ones. We've had like the strawberry ones from Japan before when Gerald's grandma got them for us on her way home from the Philippines. And they were so good that like we had to try these. And these I'd say are probably about just as good. And then regular Kit Kats, I'm having a little treat. It's been a good day so far. We took like a nice little walk, cleaned our cars a little bit because it's nice and like a little warmer than usual. Next I'm going to do my like monthly review. I follow this YouTuber called Lavender. She's really great and she does like these plan with me videos every month and I've been doing them for more than a year now. And I really like them. And I'm also thinking I might want to make like a vision board for each month this year instead of just like the beginning of the year. Because I made one in January and like I already did everything on it, I feel like. Like I already got the ball rolling at least on most of it. So I'm thinking of doing more like narrowed down ones for each month, like what I want the vibe of the month to be. We recently went to Florida for 2 weeks and one of the best things about it that I didn't even think about while I was there, but now that I'm back I think about a lot, was we were surrounded by like none of our stuff. Like at home there's just our things everywhere. We have, you know, all our clothes that I don't wear a lot of my clothes because I don't go a whole lot of places. Like we just have so many things. And it was so like refreshing and felt so good to be like away from all of our things. So it's been kind of my goal to start like at least putting things away so we don't have like cluttered surfaces. It's kind of my goal because I really want to redo our bathroom this year, our guest bathroom. I need a bathtub. Like I don't have a usable bathtub right now and I really miss taking baths. And like when we went to Disney World, we stayed at the Riviera Resort in like this amazing suite. Like my dad outdid himself with this amazing suite he rented. And the bathrooms and everything were all marble and gorgeous. So I want to just like pick up that bathroom and plop it in my bathroom. And I'm like, God, I want our house to feel like that suite, like that hotel. So I'm slowly but surely chipping away at like clutter to make it have more of that feel. But for now I'm going to do my monthly review and my planning for next month. I'm going to eat my Kit Kats. Gerald is working in the other room, I think, for the rest of the day. And I don't really usually have much to do in the afternoons until like time to make dinner. So I don't know, maybe some laundry, maybe some cleaning, I guess we'll see. So at this point I ended up having to put away some dishes. We had my brother-in-law over during the weekend to watch football. So this day we had like a ton of silverware, like all backed up, you know, like our dishwasher was completely full and then we had to like load it again. So you know how it is. So here's just a quick little time lapse of me rinsing the dishes, putting them away. Okay, before I start the dishwasher, I just wanted to end my little vlog here. We went to Chipotle for dinner. Gerald loves Chipotle and they have that new plant-based chorizo, so we tried that. I thought it was pretty good. Did you like it?
I liked it.
Good.
I felt bad for that.
Yeah, there was a guy working and you could tell he was like brand new, so it was a little rough. He was having a hard time like rolling the burrito and like I just felt so bad for him, and then it got really busy after we ordered our food, so that was rough. Oh, but let's show what we got for dessert. We went out because Gerald had to get a cake for his coworker for their birthday, and we couldn't not get a cake for us. even though it's not our birthdays.
Well, it's my birthday next week.
Yeah, but you're gonna get a cake for your birthday. This is our favorite cake. It's a Boston cream cake. It is so good. It has a lot of custard and it has like chocolate frosting. So we are about to dig into that, and I'm gonna start the dishwasher, and normally at night we watch Harry Potter, so that's what we're gonna do. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little look into what my daily life is like, and I hope you and your families are all staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.